So our today's topic is uncertainty principle. According to uncertainty principle, it is impossible to measure simultaneously and precisely means accurately both the position and momentum of a particle, which means delta x into delta p is either greater than or equal to h cut or h cut by 2. It varies from book to book, and where delta x is uncertainty in position and delta p is uncertainty in momentum, and where h cut is h by 2 pi and where h is Planck's constant. Now when delta x is equal to 0, which means position is known, and then delta px is either greater than or equal to h by delta h when delta x tends to 0 and which is either greater than or equal to infinity. And when the delta px is equal to 0, which means momentum or we can say velocity is known, and when delta x is either greater than or equal to h when delta px tends to 0 and which is either greater than or equal to infinity. Now let's move to the derivation of expression of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So for that, let xi1 x1 t is a cos k1 x minus omega 1 t, and the xi2 xt is a cos k2 x minus omega 2 t. Now let xi be the linear combination of xi1 and xi2. Therefore, it can be written as xi is equal to xi1 xt plus xi2 xt. By putting the value of xi1 and xi2, we get a into cos k1 x minus omega 1 t plus cos k2 x minus omega 2 t. Now by putting the formula of cos a plus cos b, which is 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2, we get a into 2 cos k1 plus k2 by 2x minus omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2t cos k1 minus k2 divided by 2x minus omega 1 by minus omega 2 by 2t. So now let k1 plus k2 divided by 2 is equal to k, and omega 1 plus omega 2 by divided by 2 is omega. So we can even write it, and k1 minus k2 is equal to delta k, and omega 1 minus omega 2 is delta omega. And therefore xi can be written as 2a cos kx minus omega t cos delta kx divided by 2 minus delta omega t divided by 2. Now let's introduce to the nodes and antinodes. So nodes are the points where displacement of the particle is 0, and the antinodes are the points where displacement of the particle is maximum or uncertainty in position is maximum. So in this diagram we can see here is the antinode where the displacement of the particle is maximum, and here is node where the displacement of the particle is 0. Now we are supposing that x1 and x2 be nodes, that is uncertainty in position. Then cos delta kx divided by 2 minus delta omega t divided by 2 is equal to 0, which means as cos 0 is at the values cos pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 by 2, which can be written in general form as cos 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n can be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. And therefore delta kx divided by 2 minus delta omega t divided by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 by comparing these. Now for some time when we are calculating for x1, the equation will be delta k x1 divided by 2 minus delta omega t divided by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, let it be equation number 1, and for x2 it will be delta kx2 divided by 2 minus delta omega t divided by 2 is equal to 2n plus 3 pi by 2, let it be equation number 2. Now subtracting these 1 and 2 equations, we get delta k by 2 x1 minus x2 is equal to 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 3 pi by 2. So it can be written as x2 minus x1 delta kx by 2 is equal to 2 pi by 2. 2 is cancelled out with 2 and we left with delta x delta k divided by 2 is equal to pi, where delta x is x2 minus x1, and therefore delta k into delta x is equal to 2 pi, and as p is equal to h cut k, and therefore delta k will be equal to delta p over h cut. So by putting the value of delta k over here, we get delta p over h cut into delta x is equal to 2 pi. Therefore delta p into delta x is equal to 2 pi h cut, and therefore delta p delta x is equal to 2 pi into h by 2 pi, because we know the value of h cut is h by 2 pi. So by cancel out 2 pi with 2 pi, we get delta p into delta x is equal to h. So this is the generalized uncertainty principle. Later it was refined to delta x into delta p is either greater than or equal to h cut.